everyone. This is Who Are You platform. You are welcome again to your favorite program. You are blessed, and I say to you, Happy New Week wherever you are listening to me right now. Today, I want to let you know that you can achieve anything you want in life. Once you stop doubting yourself, then you know your value. Then you know that you are capable so much that you can achieve anything you want in this life. Take a closer look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, I can achieve any good thing I want in life. Doubt can never stop what your soul is determined to deliver to you. Always surrender yourself with people who see the value and remind you of it. Then believe you deserve it and the universe will serve it to you. All you need to do is believe in yourself. Go in hand with the people that in the same mission with you in this universe, and you will achieve anything you need to achieve to be successful in this life. This is Who Are You platform. Thanks for watching. Always subscribe, like, share, and comment.